The next type of number that we want to talk about are decimals. And decimals give us another way to represent fractions. For instance, if we had the fraction 1 over 10, we would read that as 1/10. As a decimal, this is going to be equal to 0.1. So we refer to the place value, where that 1 is, right after the decimal place, as the tenths place. Similarly, if we had 1 over 100, or 1/100th, that would be equal to 0.01. So we refer to the second place after the decimal place as the hundredths place. And we could continue that. We could look at 1 over 1,000 or 1,000th, which would be equal to 0.001. So we refer to that third decimal place, that third place value after the decimal place, as the thousandths place. And that pattern would repeat. For every 0 that we add in the denominator of that fraction, we would introduce one more place value, one more 0 in that decimal place, so shifting that 1 further to the right and introducing more places. Now we can use that language to help us identify how to round decimal values. So in example 1, we want to round each of the following values to the given place. In part A, we want to round 2.456 to the nearest tenth. The number that's in the tenths place in this case is the 4 right after the decimal place. Then what we do is look at the next digit to the right, which in this case is a 5 or larger, which tells us we're going to round this number up. So instead of 2.4, we're going to say that this is approximately equal to 2.5, which is greater than 2.456. So we've rounded up. In part B, we have the number 68.753, and we want to round this to the nearest hundredth. Our hundredths place is 2 places after the decimal point, so we're looking at that digit 5, and then the number to the right of it is a 3. That value is less than 5, which tells us we're going to round down. Meaning we're going to say that this original number is approximately equal to 68.75. What's important to note here is that in rounding down, this digit 5 didn't change. Meaning we didn't turn that number into a 4, that number doesn't get smaller. In rounding down, what we do is just cut off all of the remaining values after that place. And the resulting value, 68.75, is now less than 68.753. So when we round up, that digit that we're rounding to changes. It becomes one number larger. But when we round down, that number remains unchanged, and we just cut off any additional values past that. So in this case, we cut off the 3 on the end of that number. Then in part C, we're asked to round 44.03, the nearest hundredth. In this case, 3 is in our hundredths place. There is no digit to the right of that, so there's nothing to round here. This number just remains exactly 44.03.